Whispering soft, alluring signs, wrapping you around my finger. Gently touch, full of spell, blinding you into another. Sneaking around, hunt and prey to find me another lover. Behind closed doors, an empty space, we're in a secret love encounter.
Hey everyone, and thank you so much for hanging out with me on my channel for another video. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Ines and my channel is The Sunday Stylist. I create content to motivate, inspire and encourage you to live your best life, and I believe that starts with a clean, organized home environment. I absolutely believe that when your home environment is clean, organized and generally under control, it removes an unnecessary layer of stress from your everyday life. And when that stress is removed, you are free to focus on productivity, creativity, and joy, on doing the things in life that you love. So today's video is going to show you how you can get your home environment cleaned up in 5 super fast and easy steps. So we're going to focus on the key areas of the house that have a big impact on how clean it looks. So obviously the kitchen, living areas, bathrooms, and lastly the bedroom. This is definitely not a deep cleaning video, it is a pickup and surface clean only. So if I need to clean up my house fast, if I've got people coming over, or if I just want to do a general tidy up, for example before the weekend, I often do this clean on a Friday afternoon. That way my weekends are free for enjoying, relaxing, and not stressing about cleaning. So step 1, I start with a clean sweep. I grab a basket and I do a quick walk through the house, picking up everything that needs putting away. I do a quick straightening up of the sofa, the coffee table, and any visible surfaces. The trick here is to move quickly and stay focused. Don't get distracted or start going into too much detail in any one area. I would definitely suggest spending no more than 5 minutes on this step.
Whispering soft, alluring signs, wrapping you around my finger. Gently touch, full of spell, blinding you into another. Sneaking around, hunt and prey to find me another lover. Behind closed doors, an empty space, we're in a secret love encounter. I'm a lonely, hard feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind.
Step 2 is to start in the kitchen and set your timer if you have one for 10 minutes. I use a playlist. You can spend like 2 or 3 songs in the kitchen. When you focus and hustle, it is really pretty amazing how much you can get done in a short time. I start with getting the dishwasher packed, surfaces clear to spray and wipe down, including the stovetop and the backsplash, and then finish up with a quick sink scrub and wipe down.
Blow my mind with a warning. You dug in deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again. Can't forget. You got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped upon it. You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Your body wrapped around me, good mistakes. You got me looked upon it, you and me. Got me losing sleep, I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah.
Step 3, and it is time to hit the bathrooms, and we are going to focus on giving the toilet a quick scrub, wiping over the vanity and mirrors, and just spraying down the showers. There's no time for scrubbing showers or bathtubs in this cleaning routine, but if you spray them down with a leave-on cleaner, next time you take a shower, it will be a 5-minute job to give them a scrub down. Again, make sure you just stay focused, set a timer, or use your playlist as a guide to how long you're spending on cleaning. I'm only spending 5 minutes on spot cleaning 2 bathrooms, so stick to the absolute essentials and you'll be done before you know it.
But it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman, calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Step 4 is to spend 2 minutes making your bed. Your entire room immediately looks more put together when your bed is made, and you are less likely to make more mess, like dropping clothes onto a neatly made bed. Spend another few minutes on whatever needs doing the most in your bedroom, if that's hanging up clothes or giving furniture a quick wipe or dust down. Again, this isn't a deep clean, it's about getting what is visibly messy picked up and corrected as fast as possible. So making bed, picking up clothes, and giving a quick dust down. Step 5, and we are almost done, and my last step is to finish off with a quick vacuum of the floors. My house is pretty tiny, so I can actually vacuum the entire house in 5 minutes or less. Obviously, if you have a bigger home, you might only be able to spend time on getting the hot spots in a 30-minute speed clean. Make sure you get the kitchen and all high traffic areas. I always make sure I get the bathrooms vacuumed because I have long hair that gets everywhere. Be sure to empty the vacuum cleaner when you're done and do a quick rubbish run through your home, emptying all the bins and recycling. And guess what? Just like that, we are done. I think a lot of times people are put off just by the thought of having to clean a whole house, expecting they'll have to spend a whole day getting absolutely everything done. If you set yourself a really reasonable and realistic time limit, I mean, who doesn't have 30 minutes to dedicate to speed cleaning your home? You'll be done before you know it, and then you'll have the rest of the day or the rest of the weekend to do something that you actually love and enjoy in a clean and tidy environment. And I know for sure that it is much easier to relax and chill out when the to-do list is done and dusted, and you're not trying to relax knowing in the back of your mind that you have a hot mess at home to have to deal with. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it motivating, and that it encourages you to see how much you can get done in a short time when you focus and put your mind to it. Sometimes the hardest part really is just getting started. And like I've said before, it's the activation energy required to just start a task that requires the most effort. Once you actually get started, the job is half over. Be sure to make it fun by putting on a playlist of your favorite uplifting songs. I'll include what I was listening today in the description. There are some old school gems from my work song competition that I was talking about in my last video, 20 Things I Wish I Knew in My 20s, which I am so grateful for everyone's positive and beautiful comments on. Thank you so much for watching that one and for being so supportive. A quick update on the buy the sofa tip I had in that. I might be holding off on that one for a while. One night this week, I had a glass of red wine on the coffee table, and my younger son stood up and spun around with his arms, and he knocked that glass flying. It literally happened in slow motion right before my eyes. The glass did a 360 and red wine sprayed absolutely everywhere. It went all over the coffee table, all over the entertainment unit, the rug, the sofa, the floor. It went everywhere. Although, actually, now that I'm looking at where it happened, having the other sofa could have potentially prevented it from happening, because there wouldn't be the need to walk between the sofa and the coffee table to get past and out of the lounge area. So, okay, so stay tuned for updates on that one. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button or let me know in the comments. It is great feedback for me. It lets me know that you enjoyed this video, and it boosts engagement so that YouTube will recommend this video and my channel to other viewers. This not only helps me out a ton by helping grow my channel, but it really tells me what types of videos you like watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed recently. My kids are getting so excited by the subscriber counts and channel milestones. They're like, oh Mum, your channel's got 40,000 subscribers, and Mum, your video's got 10,000 views. And they're like, Mum, this video is going to be the first one to get over 1 million views. Mum, 1 million views, do you even know how much that is? That is like everyone in Australia. And I'm like, no, it's not exactly like everyone in Australia, but it is pretty phenomenal to know that like so many people are watching videos on me cleaning my house. It's pretty mind-blowing. And I know that views and subscriber counts aren't everything, but they really do count in making me feel positive about my channel, because it's showing that people are finding value in the content that I'm creating, which is awesome. It's like getting a great performance review at work. Everyone wants to do a great job and to be recognized for the effort that they put into a project. And I just wanted you to know that I absolutely love and appreciate every like, every comment, share, and subscription. I hope you all have a great weekend, and that you don't spend all day cleaning and spend it doing something that you love. As always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.